everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. So today my son and I are going to be getting our patio together. He is going to help me with cleaning off the actual patio portion. I did lose some footage because I wanted you all to see where we actually moved the patio furniture, but I don't know what happened to that. It got erased somehow. Actually, I take that back. My camera stopped recording. But anyway, so we're gonna move this furniture, and then I wanted to show you guys. So when we moved into the house, when we bought the house, they asked us if we wanted to get and we wanted to get the patio extended, and we said yes. Well, we didn't know they were going to extend it with a whole different type instead of just concrete. So I wanted to explain why it looks like that. We did not ask for that to be like that. That's just how they did it, which is horrible, but it is what it is. So I don't have a power washer, so my son is just taking the water hose and wetting down the patio, and I'm taking a outside brush, and I'm just brushing off some of the debris and dirt the best way I can. And then he's coming on this side. He's doing more playing with hawks and spraying hawks than he is helping to clean, as you all can see. But we just did the best we could with what we have, and then I'm gonna add the rugs and then start putting the patio back together. This is real quick and simple. It's affordable. I want to get a deck and everything, but you know, right now wood is so expensive. We're just waiting on that. So now I'm moving the old rug that I had, and I'm putting it under the grill, just using what we have instead of buying more stuff. And then the new rug, I did not realize what type of rug this was. It's basically a rug for if you want to picnic, but it's gonna work for what I need for right now. It was really affordable. It was less than 40 bucks on Amazon, and it worked out for the best. It looks good after I finish, so just keep on watching for the finished outcome.
You have to be your biggest fan, and when things are really tough and they're really rough and nothing's working, but there's something inside of you that says, I just have to follow that, because you don't know who you're going to be, who you're going to be, who you're going to be.
So my cushions right now they need to be washed some type of way. You can see the red right there from the red clay from where Hawks was laying on it. You all see I have a collar on Hawks. I'm trying to train him. The more we talk to him, the more destructive he gets. I know he's a dog. I don't want to hear it, but you can train your pets. So he took one of my cushions that you see in my hand, and he actually ripped it apart, and he got the zipper open somehow and pulled all the stuffing out. So you'll see that cushion in a moment where it really has no stuffing, but I did buy some more, so I need to add a little bit more stuffing to it. And then I do need to figure out how I can wash these cushions off. I think I'm just going to actually take the cover off the cushions, put the covers in the washing machine, and then put them back out. I hope that will do the trick without tearing them up. You can see the one right there in Xavier's hand that really has no stuffing in it that I have to actually stuff, and that's the one he destroyed on me. I am going to fix the pillows again because I'm like, why are we short pillows? And I realized because I hadn't had my patio furniture open in so long that those two pillows don't go on the end, they go on the inside. So to Walmart. I actually had some lanterns, some pretty lanterns in my hand that would have been perfect to go on each side. I also had some potted plants that would have been perfect, but I know my dog, I know he would have tried to destroy it, so I didn't want to waste my money. These pillows you see, I got the pillowcases and the pillows that are in the inside from Amazon. I thought that they would be nice to go with the rug that I also purchased from Amazon. And then the yellow pillows I got from Walmart. I just wanted that pop of color on the blue, and I think that's really pretty. Please understand, this is just a really affordable way to decorate your patio without breaking the bank. I don't want to spend a whole bunch of money on redoing an entire patio when I know that my patio deck will be built sometime next year. So it's done. That candle you see I did get from Amazon as well. It's a small citronella candle. We do not have a mosquito problem so far where I live in North Carolina. And so I just wanted you all to see the finishing touches that I've done. Would I like to add a few more things to the outdoor space? Yes, but for right now I need to wait until I have Hawks trained to a point where he won't, one, jump on the furniture, two, destroy the things that I have put on it, as well as, you know, the little pieces that I may add here and there. I don't want him to, especially the lanterns that I saw. The lanterns that I had were like this pretty wooden lantern, and he would literally rip that and eat the wood apart because that's just what he likes to do for some particular reason. So I do not want to waste money on that. I did want to get a couple of potted plants, but I don't have, I just didn't want to waste my money. Here I show you the grill. I bought that grill cover from Amazon as well. And again, I told you all before, I took the rug from the current space and just moved it over. It's hot, you guys. So I don't have a, what do you call that, sprayer? Y'all know what I'm talking about. I don't have one of those. So I just had my son hose it down, and I went on ahead and I just used the broom to wash it, and then I laid down what I have. So that is all I have for you. That is this patio refresh on a budget. It doesn't take much to make your space what you want it to be. I'm not doing a whole bunch in this space only because I know for a fact my dog is destructive, one, and my husband and I plan on building a deck in due time. So I don't want to spend a whole bunch of money when I'm going to have to when I'm going to get the deck and the patio, not the patio, but the deck that I want, and I'll be able to create the space that I truly desire. So for now, I'm going to create the space that I can have in what I have. I'm going to use what I have and create the space that I want to be able to sit in the mornings and in the evenings. So until next time, ladies and gentlemen, bye.